Hello and welcome to this project outline for developing a PLC-controlled best parking lot control system. This project shows an automatic car parking lot system using a PLC. The system has two sensors. Entry sensor counts cars entering and opens the gate. Exit sensor counts car leaving and opens the exit gate. The parking lot can hold up to 100 cars. Here is how it works. When a car comes near the entry gate, the entry sensor sends a pulse to add the counter and activates Q1 to open the gate for 10 seconds. The gate only opens if the parking count is under 100. When a car comes near the exit gate, the exit sensor sends a pulse to reduce the counter and activates Q2 to open the gate for 10 seconds. Key points. The parking count will not exceed 100. If the lot is full, the entry gate will stay closed until a car exits. A green lamp is on when the count is under 100. When a lot is full, the green lamp turns off and the red lamp flashes at 1 Hz. The two gates automatically close after 10 seconds using timers. In this project, I have mapped the PLC I/O pins to the related sensors and actuators in the system layout. The table links PLC I/O pins to the connected project I/Os, showing how the PLC interacts with the components. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. The project is successfully tested on a virtual Allen Bradley PLC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.